Hello retouchers, so welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be fixing this picture together. As you can see, this is the after, okay? So this is the raw of this image right here, okay? And this is the after, okay? So one thing you need to know as a retoucher is that it's not every picture that you retouch, okay? That's just the fact, okay? So it's not every picture you retouch. Some picture require a good color grading and fixing, so to get it to be more beautiful and popping, okay? So before, after. So for the sake of this tutorial, so we are going to adjust the color of this picture and also do some liquify on this picture, okay? So to make it more beautiful, okay? So now let's go. So to do this, we'll use camera raw filter and also bring it back to Photoshop to finish it, okay? So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well and subscribe to this channel, okay? So let's go. So we take it to camera raw filter. So here in camera raw filter, so one thing you need to know as a retoucher, what you need to know is to study your Photoshop, you study your colors, okay? So once you see a picture, you know what is wrong, you know the color that is wrong, you know the color that is shadowing each other, okay? So right now, let's fix this one after the other. So right here, so I will take the highlight of this picture down a little. I take this black down a little. So I take this contrast up a little. So as you can see, with just this little adjustment, the picture is looking this way, more out, more pronounced, not dusty this way. Okay, so you just have to know what is wrong with the picture and you know what to fix. Okay, so and white here. So let's check the white. Okay, so we drop the white down a little. So so we move to the color here. So here, this is the temperature. So take it here, we take blue, take it here, we take yellow. So we add it +1 a little. So the vibrance, we add a little vibrance here. A little. So I will move to color mixer here. So here in color mixer, we go here and also pick the skin color. So we play with the skin color. Yeah. So here also play with the skin color, as you can see. It's only affecting the skin color. So we play with the skin color to fix it. Okay. Okay, so the greens there, we click on the green and play along with them, okay? Okay, so I think this is the detail here. We add a little sharpening. So I think this picture is looking better than before, okay? So it's looking better now than here, okay? So we click OK. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so the next thing I will do right here is to liquify this picture a little. Okay, but before that, I will undo the color grading, Ctrl Z. Okay, so I need to duplicate it. So we'll see our before and after. So Ctrl J. And let me apply the color grading again. Ctrl Alternative F. Okay, so okay, now as you can see, the color grading is back again. So this was the picture before and this is now. Okay, so we take this picture to let's duplicate again and take it to liquify. Okay, so this is liquify right here. So I'm working with forward warp tool. So this forward warp tool, I push here a little Okay. And when you are working on Liquify, be careful, always be careful of what you are doing. So you won't change the picture entirely. Okay. So okay, so yeah, the leg here. Okay, so this is before after. So I click OK. Okay, so the final thing I will do here is, if you have this my all-in-one retouching presets, you will know that this preset contains everything you need as a retoucher, as a graphic designer, as an editor. Okay, so with one click, we do the magic, like I always said. So we are going to make use of one of the best color grading presets here in this my all-in-one presets. Okay, so if you find color grading difficult and hard, this particular preset will help you. Okay, so the name is Val Unlimited Color, as you can see it right here. So with this color grading preset, you can pick any color that suits your picture. Okay, so just click on it. So now click continue. Okay, as you can see, this color is fine for this image, but we'll play around with color. So now it has loaded and bring something like this gradient map. You click inside this gradient map. Okay, now you get something like this. Now we'll be clicking on randomize to pick the color that will be okay for our picture. Okay, so as you can see, clicking on randomize, it will be changing different colors for you. Okay, you just got to pick the one that suits your image. Okay, so something like this is okay also. Something like this is okay, but let's move more. So as you can see, the more you click, the more it will be giving you different colors for your image. Okay, so something like this is okay also. Something like this is okay. So as you can see, it's on unending color. So I leave this way. So I click continue. So I'm going to give this image different colors. Okay. So I duplicate this image. So I group this and also turn it off. So I'll go to the randomize again, the unlimited color. Okay, so I have to pick another color for this image. Okay, something like this is okay also. Okay, so I click continue. Okay, so I will group this also. Okay, so now this is this image before and after, and also we achieve this. Okay, so it's not every image you retouch. With that retouch, you can color grade and get a good image, most especially when you are dealing with adult pictures. Okay, so with this unlimited color, you can get the perfect color grading with in your image at all, any kind of image, most especially your vintage studio pictures and your adult pictures. Okay, so if you watch this tutorial to this, you are a pro, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button. See you guys in my next tutorial.